This is a very simple butter cookies made with only a few ingredients. It is super delicious and it is very easy to make. It is perfect for every occasion. Both adults and kids love it. Join me, let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 150 grams of room temperature butter. Next, we'll be adding 80 milliliters of vegetable oil. I used sunflower oil. After that, we go ahead and add 100 grams of icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar at home, add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a blender and blend everything together. Then you have yourself an icing sugar. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and then we mix everything together until it's properly combined and is creamy in texture. Once we are done creaming, we'll go ahead and add 1 egg and then we mix again until it's properly incorporated. For our dry ingredients, we'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 360 grams, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, but we'll be adding 1 cup of flour at a time. Then we keep mixing it until it's properly combined. After mixing in all our dry ingredients, this is what we have: a perfect dough that is not strong or soft. Next, we go ahead to divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Transfer 1 part into a separate bowl, and in 1 part, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to form a chocolate dough. Now that our chocolate dough and plain dough is ready, I'll go ahead and transfer the dough to a work surface. I'll be starting with a plain dough. Then we go ahead to roll out the dough to become flat using our rolling pin. Now to curate the design on the cookies, we'll be using a feg for that, just like I'm doing in this video. Once that is done, we'll go ahead to use this circle cookie cutter to cut out the shape. You can use a square one or any other shape you prefer. This is how mine turned out. We'll go ahead and transfer it to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. After that, we go ahead and bake it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or until it looks golden brown. Then we go ahead to work on the chocolate dough just like we did in the plain one. We will also bake the chocolate cookies in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. And then for the leftover in the two doughs, we'll mix it together and then create a beautiful pattern out of it. After baking, this is what we have, our beautiful cookies. But we are not done. We are going to add a chocolate filling to it to make it complete. But feel free to enjoy it like this because it is ready. I'll be melting about 60 grams of milk chocolate. Use any chocolate of your choice or any chocolate spread. Put the chocolate on one of the cookies and then cover with the other one. You can be creative, maybe do chocolate or plain or even plain chocolate. However way you want is your cookies, so do you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to encourage me, subscribe if you haven't done so, check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you will find something else you love. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. Feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones or any other recipe on this channel. Let me know in the comment section any other simple recipe you would like to see me make next. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe at home, and if so, which beverage will you be pairing it with? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful cookies with just 3 ingredients. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. Our first ingredient is our butter, so we'll start by adding 200 grams of soft butter into a bowl. Next ingredients will be our icing sugar. We'll be adding 1 cup of icing sugar. Then we mix very well to properly combine. You can do this using your spatula. I just decided to use the mixer. It's nothing important. After that, we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. You can skip this if you don't want any flavor at all. It's just optional. Then for the final ingredients, we'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. That is 360 grams. Mix very well until a dough is formed. You can use your hands for this, it's easier, but you can also choose to use your spatula. Once the dough has come together, it should look something like this. Transfer your dough to a work surface and then roll out using a rolling pin to your desired thickness. Then we'll be cutting the dough into shape using this cookie cutter. After cutting the dough, take out the excess and set aside. We'll still be using it to make more cookies. Transfer your cookie cutouts to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Bake the cookies in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or until it looks golden brown. The cookies are ready. Allow to cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. These cookies last up to 1 month if properly stored. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support the channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also, feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home, and also which beverage will you be pairing these cookies with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.